Welcome. Today, we're focusing on a critical aspect of deploying generative AI within the enterprise: how we configure and customize these powerful tools and platforms. Our goal is to establish clear limitations and robust safety mechanisms. This isn't just about technical setup. It's fundamentally about ensuring responsible and compliant usage of Gen AI across our organization. By proactively addressing potential risks, we build a foundation of trust that allows us to harness AI's full potential safely and effectively. Generative AI presents us with an exciting paradox. On one hand, it offers unprecedented potential for innovation, driving automation, sparking creativity, and unlocking deep insights. This unleashed potential can transform how we work and deliver value. However, this power comes with inherent risks. We face the possibility of generating harmful content, factual errors, data leakage, bias amplification, and potential misuse. Navigating this dilemma requires a balanced approach, ensuring that as we embrace innovation, we simultaneously build trust by mitigating these significant perils. To navigate the innovation trust dilemma effectively, we must build our competency around key pillars of responsible Gen AI usage. At the center is trust, our overarching goal. Supporting this are four foundational pillars: content and output integrity, focused on preventing harmful or inaccurate generations; data and privacy safeguards, essential for protecting sensitive information; usage governance and compliance, ensuring ethical behavior aligns with policies and regulations; and finally, continuous monitoring, recognizing that this framework must evolve alongside the technology and its applications. Ensuring the integrity of Gen AI outputs is paramount. This pillar involves implementing technical controls to filter content for both quality and safety. We utilize pre-trained content filters with built-in moderation APIs to detect harmful categories like hate speech or self-harm. We also deploy custom blacklists and whitelists tailored to our organization's specific needs, blocking forbidden terms or requiring safe phrases. Advanced semantic analysis helps detect nuanced harmful content, while factual consistency checks, often using techniques like RAG-based grounding, are crucial for reducing hallucinations and improving accuracy. Beyond technical filters, how we interact with Gen AI through prompting plays a vital role in directing content integrity. We can embed safety rules directly into prompt design. This involves identifying harmful patterns by analyzing potential misuse cases and training the AI to avoid them. We can also define custom filter rules within prompts, flagging specific types of misinformation or sensitive keywords for monitoring. Furthermore, prompting can enforce factual grounding, for instance, by instructing the AI to limit responses strictly to information found within approved, official policy documents, thereby controlling the knowledge base it draws from. Protecting sensitive data is non-negotiable when using Gen AI. This pillar focuses on robust data and privacy safeguards. Key measures include implementing data classification and masking techniques to identify and obscure sensitive information before it interacts with the AI. We must ensure secure data pipelines for any data flowing into or out of the Gen AI platform. Prompt and output validation processes are necessary to catch and prevent the accidental inclusion or generation of sensitive data. Finally, employing ephemeral data handling ensures that sensitive information used temporarily for processing is not retained longer than necessary. Effective governance and compliance are essential for guiding ethical and legal Gen AI usage across the organization. This involves establishing a clear acceptable use policy that outlines expected behaviors and prohibited actions. Implementing output traceability allows us to understand how specific outputs were generated, which is crucial for auditing and accountability. A human-in-the-loop review process provides a critical safety net, especially for high-risk applications, ensuring human oversight before outputs are finalized or acted upon. Comprehensive training programs are also vital to educate users on policies, risks, and responsible interaction with Gen AI tools. Prompting isn't just for content. It can also embed ethical behavior and support accountability. We can use prompts to draft clauses for our acceptable use policy or generate transparency requirements for external communications produced by the AI. Prompts can guide the AI's behavior directly, for example, by including compliance disclaimers in responses related to sensitive topics like financial advice. Furthermore, prompts are invaluable for creating realistic training scenarios, simulating potential misuse cases to educate employees on identifying and avoiding risky interactions with Gen AI. Let's consider a practical example: building a responsible Gen AI marketing assistant. Applying our pillars, content integrity means implementing brand-consistent filters and requiring source citations for generated content. Data safeguards involve PII redaction from customer data, used for personalization, and strict access control for marketing users. Usage governance requires mandatory training on marketing compliance and a human review step for all content before publication. By layering these technical and policy guardrails, we enable the safe and ethical use of Gen AI in a specific business function. Fostering trust in enterprise AI requires strategic action. Our key takeaways are: first, conduct proactive risk assessment before deploying Gen AI, identifying potential vulnerabilities specific to your use cases. Second, design for trust by embedding safety, privacy, and ethical considerations into the platform configuration and usage guidelines from the outset. Third, foster collaboration between technical teams, legal, compliance, and business units to ensure a holistic approach. Finally, monitor and evolve your framework continuously, adapting to new risks and technological advancements to maintain a secure and trustworthy AI environment. Thank you.